Hello guys, so I'm gonna let you listen to the engine of this 2025 Tundra Platinum. So just listen and feel the engine. That's the idle sound of my Tundra. Isn't that great, guys? That's made by Toyota. So that's how quiet it is. Look at that. Listen. So you can just hear the fan moving. Doing its job, but you can barely hear the sounds. When you're inside of the cabin of this Tundra, you cannot really hear the sounds of this engine. So quiet, guys. Yeah, hopefully this is the engine that, or one of the engine that will last for 1,000,000 miles. In Jesus Christ's name. So yeah, guys. Okay, that's it. So this is my Tundra.